Hi, welcome to Jeannie Sweets, and today we're making deconstructed banana cream pie. This is such an easy recipe to make and it is delicious. So let's get started. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna get a medium-sized saucepan. We're gonna put it on a medium heat and we're gonna get our 4 cups of milk. Pour this inside. Next, we're going to get our 1 1/3 cups of sugar. One-third cup cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you can give that a quick whisk right now, just so the cornstarch isn't clumpy. Now that that's mixed, we're gonna add 2 packets of gelatin. So it's gonna be 1/2 ounce put together. So now we have 4 room temperature eggs. We're going to add 2 eggs in here. And then we're gonna add 2 egg yolks. So I always do this with a side bowl just because you never know what you're gonna drop in. You don't wanna drop any shells or anything like that. So I have 1 egg yolk and 2 egg yolks. So we're gonna be mixing this on a medium heat. This is probably gonna take the longest out of everything because you're mixing this and you have to mix it constantly for about 10 minutes. And yes, that seems long, but that's just because you have your eggs. If you don't consistently mix it, the eggs are gonna curdle and that's gonna cause a scrambled egg mixture that I don't think anyone wants to eat. So I'm gonna be mixing this up and I will see you in 10 minutes. So you're gonna be mixing it until it's about this consistency. It's thick, and you're also gonna be scraping the sides while you're mixing it this whole entire time because you don't want those sides to get stuck or burn. Okay, and to test this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick our spoon, dip it inside. If it doesn't come off like this, it doesn't drip, then we're good, it's ready. That's really good, it's delicious. We're gonna grab a medium-sized bowl and a strainer, and we're gonna sift this through. I like to do this, you don't necessarily have to, but I definitely recommend it just because when you're working with eggs, like I said, they curdle, so you're going to get everything out of here. And you don't want those clumps. I'm giving myself a facial. There we are. And as you can see in here, there's little clumps in here. Those aren't gonna taste good, so it's really good that you're straining that out. So next we are gonna get 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to stick these in here and we're gonna fold them in until they're melted. Don't even worry if they're not melting at first. This is a hot enough dish that it definitely will melt over time. So just fold this in as so. Okay. Wow, this smells amazing. So I'm just gonna leave this here on the side until we're ready for it. I'm going to bring over my cutting board and I'm gonna chop up these bananas. I have ripe bananas ready and I'm going to actually be doing 6 bananas. The way I'm gonna be chopping these, I'm gonna be chopping them just in about 1/2 inch cuts, very easy. Honestly, it's whatever you like. If you like bigger pieces of banana in your banana cream pie, then cut them bigger. Cut some small, some big. It doesn't really matter. But honestly, I like to put a lot of bananas in my banana cream pudding / deconstructed pie, so I just put more in just in case. Okay, so I have all the bananas cut. I have my pudding mixture ready. I also have a bag of vanilla wafers and a little bit extra I like a little bit extra on top. So what we're gonna do is I have my aluminum pan ready, and we are going to layer these in all the way across the bottom. After that layer of cookies is done, we're gonna place the bananas on each strip. Next, we're going to be putting this pudding mixture on top of the bananas, and we're going to be repeating the process, wafers, bananas, and pudding once more. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to top it off with some more wafers, but I'm going to crumble them up and sprinkle them on top. And this is actually my favorite part. So our deconstructed banana cream pie is finished and it looks great. So what we could either do now is we could have it warm, or we could put it in the fridge and let it chill for 2 to 3 hours. Just depends on how patient you are. Usually I have a bowl now and a bowl then. It just depends on what you want to do. But I did want to show you this really cool product that I came upon. It's called Fancy Panz. What you do is you get your disposable aluminum tin and you put it inside this pan container, and it allows you to transport your disposable aluminum pans. And when it's time to serve, you open this up and it comes with a serving spoon and you can dish up. It's honestly so awesome, so convenient. And I don't know about you, but disposable pans are just so flimsy. They do not do well in the car. You could stack these. They come in all different sizes and different colors. I would definitely recommend this. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. And honestly, I'm just gonna put this in my fridge now and then enjoy some later. But thank you so much for watching Jeannie Sweets, and I hope you enjoy your deconstructed banana cream pie. See you next time.